Welcome to Bullish Bear FX. Please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell so you'll be the first to get notified in our next video. Yeah, hello traders, it's your one and only Forex skill coach Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this. If this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a little favor? Smash that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Alright, the notification bell helps you get notified whenever I release a new content. So turn the bell on is very important, because right here in this channel, all I do is to post content that help you guys win in the financial market. But today in this video, I'll be teaching you guys a very powerful strategy that's going to help you trade this market with enough insight of what really happens in the market. You know, it's important for you to really know the business you are venturing into, what creates certain losses, what creates certain profits, what moves the charts, and quite a lot of things. It's important for you to really know all these things while you are trading in the market. Okay, now today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make use of the momentum indicator to understand certain areas where price can easily get weak and turn from. You know, what we do in this market is we want to trade along with the movers and the shakers of the market at a certain time. If the bull is the mover and the shaker of the market currently, all we want to do is what? We want to buy along with the bull. All right. And if the bear is the shaker and the mover of the market currently, you want to do what? Sell along. Isn't that good? So that's what we always want to do in the market. And now the question is, how do we know certain areas or certain zones where price can easily turn from, so that we can know when the bulls are entering the market and follow them along, or when the bears are entering the market and follow them along? In this video today, I'll be teaching you and exposing quite a lot of hidden secrets that you never knew about this Forex chart, and it's really going to help you in the financial markets. Before we proceed, smash the like button if you think this video is really making sense, and if you think it's something that's really going to help you. Smash the like button to show me that yes, Tim, I love this, keep doing more. Right now, there's something we call divergence in the market. Please make sure you pay close attention, okay? And so that you don't miss out any single information that I give you here. Now, there's something we call divergence in the market, and divergence occurs when when price begins to go opposite against what is meant to be on the normal chart. All right, when price begins to go opposite of what is meant to be on the normal chart, or when the price in market begins to change against the normal move of the market, whenever this kind of thing begins to occur, then you know there is divergence in the market. And I'm going to explain further to you and even teach you how to find out divergence in the market, and then how to make use of it. Okay, now let us just take a quick illustration of what divergence really means. Now, I'll just have to do something like this so I can draw it on the chart for you guys. Please make sure you pay close attention, okay? Now, whenever you notice in the market that you have a bullish move and you have, let's say, a bearish move like this, okay? And then we have a bullish move like this. All right. Now, if you have this on the normal chart, and then you look at your indicator, and your indicator, instead of pointing upward also, at this time is beginning to point sideways or even downward, then you know there is divergence in that market, in the market at that time. So you can easily identify divergence using your momentum indicator, which I will show you right now. Okay, now let's get started, traders. Let's get started. I'm so excited about this training because it's going to help a lot of you understand what happens in the market and how to take advantage of it. Let's take a few examples. Take a look at what happened here, traders. From here to here, what did we notice? Price was in an uptrend, right? Am I communicating? If you're watching me right now and I'm communicating to you, please comment right on, Tim. Just comment right on, Tim. Okay, now On the chart, we have an uptrend here, but look at on the indicator. This is not an uptrend. This is a straight market. Very funny, isn't it? But that's what it is, traders. This is a straight market in the momentum indicator. So what do you think is happening in the market? I'm still going to explain further to you. I'm going to break it down to a parable so that you understand. But just understand what I'm showing you. All right? Let's go further, traders. Look here, look here, look here, traders. From here to here was a downtrend, was an uptrend, right? Look at your momentum indicator. From here to here was a downtrend. Why? What happened? What happened? Can you see? There is something questionable in the markets. Whenever you notice divergence in the market, trader, that market is questionable. You need to be careful of what is happening or what might likely happen, because divergence gives you idea of what will likely happen in the markets. All right, let's go further, traders. I'm so excited about this. I just want to show you guys a lot of things that you never knew. Look, from here to here, price was going down, right? But traders, look at here. From here to here, price was going bullish. Imagine when you understand the logic behind this, and imagine when I start teaching you about how to use this strategy to take entries. You're really going to love this. But first of all, you need to understand what this divergence is all about and how this momentum indicator works, so that you understand how to take proper entries with it. Okay, so let's go further, traders. Let's go further. Look, divergence, we are still around all the zones. All the zones still had divergence. All the zones still had divergence. Look here. Look here. You see? It's a downtrend on the main chart, but it's not a downtrend on the indicator chart. Let's move on, traders. Let's move on, traders. Let's move on. I'm just seeing divergence everywhere in this market. I decided to use this crash market so that those of you who love to trade boom and crash will really understand that it is not just about volatility or currency pair. It also happens in boom and crash. Okay, so you can also apply the same knowledge to trade your boom and crash. Okay, you can see what happened here is an uptrend in the main chart, but it's a downtrend even in your momentum indicator. Okay, you see all the ones that I drew out. You see all the ones I drew out already. You can see all of them. Here was a downtrend, but look here. Notice here was a slight downtrend, right? But here was a massive downtrend. You will always notice the move. You will always notice how it moves. Okay, let's take more examples, traders. Now look here again. Look here again, traders. From here to here, look. It wasn't even like there was a downtrend around here. I can't even identify a downtrend here unless from here to here, just a slight downtrend. But traders, look here, from here to here, look how massive the downtrend was. Okay, you see how massive the downtrend was. Come on. So what do you think is happening in this market? Now, let me give you a simple illustration of what's happening. Now, when investors get into the markets, they drop a certain amount of money for investments of probably an hour or 5 hours or even a day. Some investors come and drop money in the markets for a week or even a month, depending on how huge they drop. Okay, now when they drop money in the chart, in the market, to move the charts, because I always tell my students that you've got to understand that your $5, your $100, even your $1,000 cannot move a candlestick on the charts. It takes a huge amount of fund to move the candlesticks that are called on the charts. Okay, so when investors get into the market and pump in huge amount of funds to move the charts, either bullish or bearish, okay, this is what happens. Whenever they load money into the charts and and the price begins to move on a certain direction in their favor as they have loaded money. Okay, so let's say for instance they come in the morning and they load money to move the market bullish. Now the market will begin to go bullish with huge amount of liquidity because of the amount of money that has been pumped into the markets. Okay, now you would notice that there will be huge liquidity in the market, and that liquidity causes the candlesticks to move with huge strength. That's when you notice things like this. Let me show you guys. That's when you notice moves like this. Strong move, strong move, strong move. Okay, you notice high liquidity in the market. Let me give you another example of strong moves in the market. Okay, moves like this, traders. Okay, all the way from here. See the way it was just moving and moving. The bullish candles were very few because there was huge liquidity at that era or at that specific time, because of the money that have been loaded to move this market bearish. Now, once the money that have been loaded to move price bearish is beginning to get exhausted, before it reflects on the main chart, your momentum indicator would have noticed it first and began to react. So while you're trading, or when you want to trade and you're taking cognizance of your momentum indicator, you can easily get idea of what is happening in the market. You can easily get idea of when the liquidity is still strong or when the liquidity is getting weak, for you to know, is it really safe for me to enter here, or is it really safe for me to enter there? I hope you're understanding this, traders. Please leave a comment below if you really understand. Comment, I understand, team. And smash the like button if you love this video, traders. Okay, so this is exactly what happens in the market that causes divergence to occur on your momentum indicator or in the forex charts. So when investors' money in the chart is beginning to depreciate in one way or the other, okay, or the investors' money is not functioning as powerful as it ought to function, it causes divergence. It begins to make the momentum indicator react in a certain way to let you know that, look, there is an error in the market. Something is wrong in the markets. You've got to be careful. If you're trading before, you can likely have to start locking profits, because at any time price can reverse. Or if you're about to take an entry, you need to be sure of the entry you want to take, because market price is currently fluctuating. Though it hasn't started reflecting on the main candlestick chart for you to see, but if you have the idea of what happens from the momentum indicators, you'll be able to understand all these things even before they occur. Now, traders, I want you to do something for me. If you really understand what I've taught you in this video right now, I want you to go to your own private charts, spot out divergence on different angles, take a screenshot of it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Now there's going to be a WhatsApp group link on the description of this video. Click on that link, all right, and you're going to join the WhatsApp group that I've just created. Okay, now once you join it, you notice the admin of the group. You can chat me up privately and send me a screenshot of your own divergence, what you saw on your own charts, and let me be sure that traders are learning and understand what I'm teaching. And then once I see that you guys are responding positively to it and you understand what I've just taught you, then on my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to find entries with this strategy, because it doesn't make sense that I teach you how to find entries when you haven't really understood what this divergence of a thing and momentum is all about. So I need to be sure that you've understood this part of it, and then I can advance you guys into how to find entries using this strategy. So do what I've just asked you to do right now. Go to your chart, spot out divergence on different sides, then send just a screenshot to me, or 1 or 2 screenshots to me on WhatsApp using the link on the description of this video right now, and let me be sure that my traders are learning. Here is the setting for the momentum indicator. You have period to be 14, apply to high levels. You have 70, 20, and you have 100. All right, then put whatever style you want and you click done. For the main time traders, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you on the next video.